Hello students, welcome back to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. So today we are solving Madras School of Economics 2025 sample question paper. So we are on question 31. Let's see what is the question given. It was envisaged in 2019 that India would become an economy of which of the options will be the correct option? Can you tell me? Yeah, let us solve. In 2019, Prime Minister Narendra Modi envisioned that India would become a 5 trillion economy dollar by 2024 and 2025 in current price. So this target was set in nominal terms. Okay, meaning that the total value of goods and services produced in the economy without adjusting for inflation. Now, however, due to various challenges, including, the COVID 2019, we can see the Chief Economic Advisor, CEA, V. Anantha Nageshwaran, has indicated that India is on course to become a $5 trillion economy by 2026 to 2027. So that is currently US dollar $5 trillion by 2025 to 2024 to 2025 in current price. So your correct answer will be option C. Let us know if you are having any doubts or you need any question or any topic clearance, do write here.